Hey, do you like gaming? I mean, of course, who doesn't like gaming, but have you ever thought of earning a few bucks off of it? That too, without any investment? If not, this video is meant for you. It's still useful because we will show you exactly what games you can play to earn a huge amount of money. The initial investment in most NFT games is a huge issue. Sure, they may have a lot of earning potential and an appealing plate to grab attention, but many of them demand some sort of purchase, investing, and whatnot. But since we want to make our viewers rich without them having to invest, we have compiled a list of the top 5 entirely free-to-play, play-to-earn NFT games that require no upfront commitment. So, just in case you don't know what an NFT is, the term NFT is an abbreviation for non-fungible token. Non-fungible refers to something that is one of a kind or irreplaceable. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a wordy way of saying non-replaceable or one of a kind. They make digital items scarce and rare, and therefore valuable. An NFT represents ownership of a particular file or item, such as artwork, videos, in-game items, and even real estate, and they are all stored on a blockchain. Although there is a lot of buzz right now about utilizing NFTs to sell digital art, NFTs may be used to sell anything digital. Drawings, music, films, and even textual art are all examples of this. They're made to provide you exclusive possession of something that cannot be duplicated. NFT games have offered players the chance to make money while they play their inception. GameFi is a crypto gaming and financial hybrid that combines the two. Multiple gaming models exist when NFT games refer to a game in which players can make money by collecting collectibles. Now, there are a lot of P2E NFT games, but a very few amount of them require no investment, purchase, or an entry fee. We collected information on the top 5 fun and most played of them so that we can give you knowledge about these games, starting with we have number 5, which is Mira, or spelled MIR4. It is the 4th installment in WeMade's decades-long series of massively multiplayer online role-playing games. The Legend of Mir 3 was released about a decade ago, and Mira is the 4th installment in the series, though you won't find any mention of the previous games on most English-language websites. Mir 4 has successfully captured the absolute premises of NFT and play-to-earn games with the Draco token, which allows users to trade tokens for real-world money via their WeMix wallet. Computer gamers are likely to have heard of this game, which has made waves in the traditional gaming world since its introduction. This aesthetically stunning game, powered by the Unreal Engine, delivers plenty of content in a unique and exciting open world. Gamers can embark on their adventures by selecting one of 4 playable characters, engaging on epic journeys, and confronting terrifying creatures in an exciting PvP mode that also allows gamers to fight with other players and be rewarded with valuable resources. Mir 4 provides gamers with a play-to-win feature. It almost allows anybody to participate in the game and win cryptocurrency after a specific amount of time. Players at the in-game level will be able to exchange their in-game coins for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other cryptocurrencies, and almost any other cryptocurrency that exists. The Mir 4 team is also interested in including a mint trade-and-play function where players will be able to sell their items as real-world in-game characters for a fee. The characters will soon be transformed into NFTs. This allows you to sell and trade them in exchange for real money. Next up, we have number 4, Blanco's Block Party. This game is heavily influenced by one of the most popular games right now, Fall Guys. Assembling 60 players in 2021, putting them up against each other in a series of basic but enjoyable challenges from tag, combining to obstacle courses with the great Fall Guys concept. Some fantastic crypto considerations as well as a significant earning potential, Blanco's Block Party is one of the most well-known NFT games out there. It's quite popular right now since it's really fun to play, coupled with compelling core gameplay due to the fact that the game contains some. It has an amazing profit potential behind it as well. It has been stated that with the talent of wise decision making, it is possible to see earnings of up to $200 per day. Number 3 on our list is Huddle God. This fantastic new PvP and PvE Battle Royale style game is placed against the fantastic magical type setting with warriors fighting each other in order to emerge victorious, featured on the exciting new Wax blockchain. NFTs are being launched. Likewise, a fundamental element of Huddle God, just by connecting and playing, gamers will be able to use the ecosystem to obtain in-game NFT drops, among other things such as the benefits of this fierce competitive gaming expertise. With a number of awesome in-game weapons, from bows to swords to axes and maces to a number of insane spells, volcanoes, freezing, teleporting, the amount of fun and earning potential through Huddle God is truly endless. Next up, we have number 2, Thetan Arena. The Thetan Arena team is looking to offer a fun and engaging MOBA and Battle Royale game that allows players to make friends, form teams, battle against one another, and earn token rewards of pure skill-based team play. The multiplayer battle arena is extremely popular and hugely profitable. Gaming subgenre titles such as League of Legends maintain millions upon millions of fans from around the planet and have the financial interest from the community to back it up. The theme of Arena team was aware of the industry landscape and set out 5 years ago to develop a project with basic components and pillars that are positioned to draw and keep a community going in the long run. Primarily enjoyable and pleasant gameplay should entice players to play for a long time, years with a variety of beneficial social activities, qualities that motivate players to collaborate, putting together a guild structure of some sort that enables gamers to communicate, and in-game interaction with a tiny as well as a heavy emphasis on exposure via streaming and social media, enabling gamers, streamers, and influencers to be able to communicate with one another. Straight to major streaming services with ease, this will further increase the sort of natural exposure the game will allow for and enable the project to enter another rapidly rising and highly profitable multi-million-dollar industry while attracting more potential player interest with a PC and multiple mobile versions to be released on both iOS and Android. It's only a matter of time before Thetan Arena sweeps through the planet and draws in players from across the planet. Now, the last on our list is number 1, The Sandbox. Starting out as a basic community, The Sandbox is a game driven by pixel graphics, arguably the most significant rival to Decentraland in the NFT-based virtual land. Despite the fact that it is a sandbox, the team has adopted a very different approach to determining the genuine worth of the project. The Sandbox game may actually sound interesting. The game may be recognizable to some of them. The game was actually released as far as 2012. It began as a mobile game. The Sandbox provided users with an enjoyable experience, awe-inspiring amount of creative freedom, their own worlds, and simply to let them hang out for the last 10 years. Animoca is one of the biggest crypto gaming investors around, with direct holdings in major NFT titles such as CryptoKitties and even Axie Infinity. The Animoca team is looking to swivel the original Sandbox title towards the highly desirable and extremely attractive decentralized model. The most attractive aspect of the Sandbox project is the sheer level of deal flow that the team is able to secure. And with that, we are at the end of the video. Make sure to watch our past videos and support us by subscribing. We've shown you how to make money on the internet. If you want to learn more about how to make more money in less time, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button, because our channel is all about making money in simple methods. After all, subscribing is free.